Rohan keeps a total of 90 guppies in 4 fish tanks. There is 1 more guppy in the second tank than the first. There are 2 more guppies in the third tank than the second. There are 3 more guppies in the fourth tank than the third. How many guppies are in the fourth tank? You can pause here and solve the problem before seeing the solution. Let's call the number of guppies in the first tank x. Then the second tank has 1 more. So x plus 1. The third tank has 2 more than that. So x plus 3. And the fourth tank has 3 more than the third. So x plus 6. The 4 tanks together hold 90 guppies. So x plus 1 plus x plus 3 plus x plus 6 all add up to 90. Combine the terms, we have 4 x's. And the extra numbers 1, 3, and 6 add to 10. So 4x plus 10 equals 90. Subtract 10 from both sides to get 4x equals 80. Divide by 4. And x equals 20. The first tank has 20 guppies. The fourth tank holds x plus 6, which is 20 plus 6, equal to 26 guppies. The answer is 26.